Hey everyone, it's Kelly here from Creative Memories Home Office, and today I'm going to show you how I managed to get this border sticker around the outside edge of my circle. So I have most of this border sticker left on my sticker sheet here, so I am going to do a smaller circle just to show you the technique. So I've already cut out my circle using the blue blade on the inside of the large circle template. So as you can see, it's a smaller size than this example, but I'm going to show you the technique that I used to create this. So essentially it is a little bit fiddly. Just move all these things to the side. So you'll need a pair of scissors, you'll need some regular tape runner, and then you'll need a border sticker that's suitable. I like this scallop shape because it creates a really nice scallop shape around the outside of the circle. So basically what you've got to do, you've got to peel off your border strip, and then on whichever is going to be the back side of your circle, you need to adhere the sticker strip. So my front side is facing downwards at the moment, so as I adhere this, I need my front side of my sticker strip to be facing downwards as well. So that means that I can't use any of the sticky adhesive on the sticker strip itself. I need to use some adhesive tape runner to stick it down. But to be able to curve it around the edges, you need to cut in some small cuts onto the sticker strip itself so that you can manipulate it and bend it as you work around the circle. And this will just give you the idea of how to do this feature. And sometimes you may need an extra piece of another border sticker, so that is what happened to the rest of this one. It is finishing off the outside of this circle for me. Now to get this started, just add a little bit of adhesive around the outside of your circle, following around the outside edge. And if you get a little bit protruding out, that's right, you can just fold it over like so, just so you've got something for this border to grab onto. And then starting, that looks good, starting about there, let's just adhere that down, and then where I've cut in, you can start to overlap it a little bit like so. So you bend it around and overlap it a little bit, making sure you stick on. And this is why it's fiddly, because the border sticker wants to stick to you instead of to the adhesive. So it is a little bit on the tricky side, but you'll get the knack of it just like I have. Alright, now it's sticking to my tape runner. Haha! It's fun times as a scrapbooker. We do some fun things to get the look that we want. Sometimes you just keep working around the circle, as you can see here. It's almost like what you end up with is almost like a nice flower shape like that. So I'll just keep on working around to create this decoration of mine. There we go, stick down. Okay, I'm almost there to the other side of my circle. Did I mention it was fiddly? I'm sure I did. Alright, I'm almost there, so I've got a little bit of excess that I don't really need, but I need a little bit more tape runner at the end here, just to be able to finish that off. So now I can just tear that off where I don't need it anymore. Okay, and just make sure it sticks right down for you. And once you are happy with that, you know, you might want to put a little bit more tape runner in the middle before you would adhere that down on your layout. So that is how I made that sticker embellishment around the outside of my circle.